and we have wild apple and cinnamon, a sunlit orchard of warmth and sweet spice. Pretty much says what it is there anyway. Ceylon cinnamon bark, yeah, apple. It's got the works in it basically. Already I can smell cinnamon as soon as I poured the boiling water over it. So I'm just checking that it's still there, because sometimes when you pour it over tea bags, it doesn't quite stay there as long. So have a look in it again if you like. Ooh, mysterious. Very sweet. If you like sweet things, go for it. But for me, I found out through doing all of this advent calendar that I'm not actually quite a fan of sweet teas. So enjoy. Let me know what you think.